Over a year since 9-year-old Cyrus Blakely died, his adoptive father, Corey Blakely, faced a judge at the Placer County Superior Court, where he pled guilty to a number of charges, including murder.
In a case like this, if they plead guilty, then I'm tempted to believe that, he obviously knew something, right? Because it had been going on for a while.
Corey and his wife are facing criminal charges of murder, torture, child cruelty, and child endangerment. Multiple neighbors telling KCRA that this murder plea is satisfying to hear about after learning about what went on behind closed doors.
Even if he wasn't the person that caused the death, he still knew something, and that's pretty horrifying.
Today's conditional plea means that Corey waived his right to a jury trial, and each of the child endangerment counts is related to other children present in the house. The Blakeleys had 2 biological children and had adopted others.
When there's kids involved, it's really hard to not be just really angry at something like that, and you try your hardest not to be, but I have little ones, and my kids played with, those kids down the street.
After today's hearing, Corey's anticipated sentence is 15 years to life in prison. KCRA 3 also reached out to Corey's family. His father told us that, quote, their son pled guilty to try to put an end to this nightmare and spare his children and family from a long, drawn-out trial in which we are told they would have to testify, adding that it would require them to relive the trauma. The family is living out of state and currently taking care of Corey's 2 biological children. At this time, Corey Blakely remains at the Placer County Jail, where he will remain until his sentencing, which has been scheduled for May 7th. In Roseville, Marisela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
As for Corey's wife, Kimberly Blakely, she has a hearing at the Placer County Courthouse in mid-April, where a judge will set trial dates.